In this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger now in 2024. So what you're going to do firstly is to open up your Messenger app. As you can see, I'm currently on my Messenger app right here. So now the second step is going to be for you to locate the three lines. For me, it's in the top left corner, as you can see, but for some of you, it might be in the top right corner. So click on chats in the bottom left corner firstly to be taken here. Now click on the three lines. And then you should be taken to this page right here. As you can see, now click on the settings wheel in the top right corner. So click on the settings wheel here, because then you should be taken to this page. Now, to be able to remove end-to-end encryption, a lot of people think that it's just somewhere in here. Well, it's actually not true. To be able to remove your end-to-end encryption, you need to scroll all the way down in here and actually click on help. So click on help, just going to load here, and perfect. As you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here. Now on this page, then what you're going to do is to click on search right here. Now you're going to search for and click on the first one in here, end-to-end encryption. So click on it. Now click on the first result, end-to-end encryption, and click on the first result right here as well. Scroll all the way down in here. Click on was this helpful? We need to actually click on no in this case. And then you need to click on I don't like the product or policy, or the solution doesn't work. We can take that one instead. It doesn't really matter, to be honest. So now you should be taken to this page right here. So now you need to write like this. I want the end-to-end encryption to be removed from my messages. I need this to be fixed as fast as possible. Then click on submit. As you can see, perfect, we have now submitted this. So the next step is going to be for you to either go into your App Store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play Store if you have an Android. It's the exact same step that I'm going to show you for both these mobiles basically. So it doesn't matter if you have iPhone or Android. Now in here, search for Messenger, scroll down, click on Messenger, click on the update button in here if you get one. If you don't have an update button, you will need to wait a couple of hours, maybe even a couple of days if you're unlucky. But you need to find the update button in here, update it to the latest version, then go back and try and see if that problem has now been fixed for you. So this is a potential solution that you can actually be able to fix, or rather remove the end-to-end encryption in your Messenger. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.